Hi, Nirupa.
Hey Smita. Hey Prakshu.
Hello.
Hey, hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Mm, Just give me 2 minutes of time. Meanwhile, can you please, I'll tell one specific thing. Try to do that logic. Okay. Now, You know how to calculate income tax, right? Hello?
30% tax of the,
I don't want your 30% of money. I want only 1%, 2% sufficient.
okay, okay.
Okay, see this question. Don't feel like that. Okay, I'll remove. Okay, these are the conditions. You guys can build your own logic.
Sir, what should we do? Function takes income of a taxpayer as input.
Computes and return the income tax.
Percent on.
I am not expecting you to write the entire function, just steps how you will do.
No, what?
I'll give a dynamic. I'll give a dynamic input. For example, I'll give 7 lakhs. How you will calculate, how you will build, and how you will suggest step-by-step process to derive a logic to identify what is the total tax amount I need to pay.
So here 1% is the tax?
No, yes, 1% up to 50,000.
Okay.
1% on
Up to,
interest.
yes,
Okay.
over 50,000 to 75,000, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%. What is the total amount? So this is the just a calculation which I given for your comfort. Once you see this one and write your own logics for this.
Sir, can you keep the screen?
Yes, I'll keep the screen. Anyone completed?
Sir, I know the logic, but I don't know how to put it in Python, sir.
Yes, no, I'm not asking you need to put it in the Python. Just I'm
So I,
asking you words, step by step process.
okay, so if I just do it in the paper and send a picture, that's okay?
Yes, that's also fine. Otherwise, you can write it in a Jupyter notebook itself and you can share with me. That's also fine.
Okay, then,
So
yeah.
I just tried some steps with if condition.
Yeah. I tried with F conditions as well.
If then
I didn't see any messages. Prakshi, you're trying?
yes, I just did, but I didn't share the photo. So I'm trying to
No
do that
problem.
to
You
share
can,
the
I mean,
photo.
select. Okay, okay, right.
Yeah, I completed like with if conditions, if it belongs to between these range, then rate will be this, and it belongs to between these range, then rate will be this. We have to do that or something else?
No, that's fair enough. Otherwise, if you don't use if conditions also, don't have any problem. Okay, first I need to, if, for example, if 70,000 is the input, first I
Mhm.
need to take this value. After that,
Yes.
how I'll calculate what is the remaining step, what is the next step, like
Mhm.
that.
Yeah, got it. Hmm.
That is wrong. That is not sufficient. Who shared it? Nikita.
Sir, I didn't write the
You
further
didn't paid any
statements.
tax right up to now.
Uh, no.
Right, I understood. If we pay tax like that, na, we don't get anything into our hands.
No, sir, that's
Bas-
very basic formula I
You
wrote.
know,
I didn't go in depth.
then what you'll get? What we'll get? We'll get each and every month, we'll get only change. Apart from that, we didn't get anything.
Okay, sir. Sorry, I'll try one more time.
Okay, if
Yeah.
you're if you're paying 30% or 20%, right? If you're paying on the entire thing, na, it's not like that that much simple.
Sir, I sent it, sir. I don't know if it is.
Okay, I'm seeing. 2% total income tax minus ha 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 ha.
Kala, sir.
Nirupa, you are also not paying income tax?
No, till now.
Okay.
So this
So
is not how we'll calculate.
Sir, we have
No,
to deduct expenses and all. I don't.
no, not that thing, yeah. For example, just see how the tax will be calculated. First 50,000, one slab. Second, after that, slabs will be there. For example, if you're earning 7 lakhs, it doesn't mean like that you need to straight away pay 6%. First 50,000 will come under 1%.
Mhm.
Next 50,000 to 75,000 will come under
Okay.
next. And next, the next 75 to 100, 100 to 250, 250 to 500, like that. It's
Okay.
not like that the entire straight percentage. You need to divide that amount into each and every slab. And after that, you need to calculate the tax on that amount.
Oh,
So
not, they will not calculate on the entire amount, sir.
No.
Entire amount on the same percentage. Percentage will be vary.
So like out of 750 for 5 lakh, we will pay 500 only.
No. Not 5 lakh, 50,000. For 50,000,
50,000.
1%.
Okay,
For
okay.
50,000, 1%.
So
After that,
total
50,000 to 75,000, 2%.
Mm.
75,000 to 1 lakh, 3%. 1 lakh to 250,000 for 1 lakh 50,000 amount, 4%. 2 lakh 50,000 to 500,000, 5%. Above 500,000, 6%.
So
Like
we
that,
will be
tax
in
will be calculated.
6% bracket. We'll be in 6% bracket if we are,
No,
we have to give
I
all
mean,
the percentages.
yes. Why? Because the
Ah.
amount need to be segregated and fill in each and every slab.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Got it.
Oh.
And what about after, okay.
After
5
500,000,
lakh, it
straight
is
away,
250 left.
that is the 6% itself.
Okay,
For
okay.
example, you are earning 6 lakhs.
Yeah,
5 lakhs will fill it here, and the
Yeah.
1 lakh is 6%.
6%, okay.
Like that.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, really? Okay.
यूएस में भी ऐसा होता होगा.
I also tried, like I shared mine also in WhatsApp.
It's like it's not only simple range to calculate the income. That's not only the simple one. You're given a direct function. You written a direct slab range.
Okay.
I told you the logic, right? Just
Mhm.
I mean, it's like try to follow that logic, and based on that, tell me how you're going to implement.
Sir. Sir, can you tell how this tax thing is working on exactly? So this is for a single person, 750 is the income.
Yes.
And how can so many percentages apply on one single income 750K, sir? Because it should be a percentage kind of, a single percentage, right? Based on the salary bracket. Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
You're not able to hear me?
Now it's okay.
Okay. For example, you're earning 60,000, 600,000. It doesn't mean like that you need to pay 6% on the total amount. Hello? You're getting?
Yeah, I'm listening, sir.
Not that. In your 600,000, what is the tax on your first 50,000? In 6 lakhs, 50,000 tax is 1%. Remaining 25,000 tax is 2%. Remaining 25%, 3%. Remaining 1,50,000, 6%. 6. Remaining 2,50,000, 12,500. After that, how much amount is remaining? 1 lakh. On that 1 lakh, 6%. 6,000. Got it?
But how do we make segments of
Yes. That is the reason I'm asking. Try to
Yeah.
build a logic, right?
yeah, yes.
How you will identify and how you will keep remaining and how you will extend that amount. That is the thing
Yeah.
I'm asking.
Yeah.
Why? Because why I'm asking these questions? From now onwards, we're going to start loops and conditional statements.
Hmm. Okay.
Just you'll get an idea how we need to think and what type of problems we're going to solve.
So we have to do that like if less than 50,000, then it will be 1.
I'll be in mute. If you want, you can discuss in between you to get more clarity. At least try to give me a combined result. One approach. Is there any idea you got how to write?
I am trying, sir.
I just tried another one.
Okay.
Like I did.
If that is completed, this is the second one. You see, for example, if I provided you with some money, 1278 rupees or something else, the maximum allowed amount is 100 rupees as a single note. You need to print the result and you need to tell me how many hundreds, how many 50s, how many 20s, how many 5s, how many 2s, how many 1s.
Sir, can you repeat the question? Write a program to find how many rupees to give value to the customer. Okay. In
1278.
in 1278, maximum number of hundreds you can give.
No, not maximum number. The maximum number of currency value what we have is 100 rupees and 50 rupees and 20 rupees and 5 and 2 and 1. How you will give with the minimum number of count?
So we have to find out how many 50s will be there. 50s rupees.
How many
Okay,
50s, how many 100?
And maximum there will be 100 rupee note. 100 rupees. Okay.
Yes. That is the example. See, 1200s, 1200, 150, 1250, 120, 1270, 15, 12, 11,
Hmm.
like that. Whatever the amount I provided there, it need to give the result.
So can you check the chat? Do we have to make case statements like this?
It is completely your freedom.
Does it look okay to you?
Whatever the thing, if I'll get the solution, I'm okay with that. If it's a big logic or a small logic, I don't have any problem.
Sir, can you just keep the above one question once, sir, the tax part? And the second question also.
It shows me invalid syntax.
Dhirubhai, is it clearly understand? You understood clearly the two questions,
Yeah, understood, sir.
but you're struggling to frame the logic.
I will send my pictures. You tell me.
Okay. And who? Tejendra, right? Big case statements. Okay. Completed? Your trials are still anyone are finding? Last 5 minutes. Okay, last 5 minutes. After that, I'll show you the code.
So to stay in one line, what we have to do is, it's with shift enter, we go to next line.
Colon. If you want to continue, colon.
Sorry, I didn't get you. What did you say?
You have to put colon.
Colon?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Your trials are completed? Or you're still trying?
I'm still trying, sir.
Okay. So then, last 5 minutes in my screen, 9:43, 9:48 is your deadline to think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see. Here I'm presenting the first code. See this one? Can you please try to understand the code?
So can you please paste this on chat?
Sorry?
Can you please paste this on the
No,
chat?
I'll paste in the chat, but just try to see what's
Yeah,
happening here.
yeah, these are the, different steps. Okay, I used case.
Try to understand the logic.
Mm-hmm. And 75 to 1
Hmm.
taxes
Good.
is plus.
Just if you call income tax and in the
Yes.
round bracket, if you provided your income,
1%
Hmm.
directly it will give the total tax, how much you need to pay.
Good.
So minus 75,000 into 3%.
So we need to add every slab, like 50,000, it will be 1%, then remaining 2%.
See, try to understand the logic. It's not that much simple. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just look into it.
Greater than 1 lakh and less than 2 lakh 50.
Just I'm showing. Tell me some number.
20,000.
Like say 750 आपने बोला 7 lakh 50.
मेरे को हिंदी नहीं आता.
Oh, sorry, 7 lakh 50. 7 lakh 50,000.
Okay.
If I 20.
That is the same answer. Okay.
Okay, 35 to 50. No. And I did not understand the third line.
For
If
example,
income
10,
is greater
100,000.
than
1 lakh.
50. 50,250.
Anyone understood the logic?
Income is greater than- This is first person, second.
You know, I'll tell you. For example, now we are using print and sum and different functions we are using, right? That functions
Hmm.
also background, this type of code is there.
Okay.
Okay, those are stored as a standard language library. So that is the reason we are calling the simple name and we are performing the operations.
Okay.
Who understood? Who didn't understood?
I think
I want
I understood. So what I'll just tell, this is somewhat like which I sent, I don't know, but so if you're saying the income is greater than less than 50,000, you're asking to like asking to do 1% on that income.
Yes.
Okay, then you are coming to the next part. If the income is 50,000 and less than 75,000, now you took another variable tax. Already 1% is applied on 50,000. So
Yes.
you have to take away that 50,000 from the total income.
Yes.
So
Hmm.
50,000 into 0.1, I mean that 1%, now plus the remaining one. Like first you have to take away that 50,000 from 7 lakhs 50,000. Now the income will be 7 lakhs into I mean income.
Okay, first here I given a 100,000, right? 100,000.
Mhm.
100,000 is in which slab?
100,000 is in
Third
I think,
slab.
third.
This one, right?
Third
This one,
slab.
right? This is
Yeah.
the one.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
Last
for 100,000. For 100,000, the process will come. Okay, it will check and okay, this is not related to me. This is not related to me. Not related to me. Okay, now it will enter
directly
into the
come
loop.
to. Okay.
then it will encourage, then it will calculate 50,000 this one, 25,000 this one, 25,000 this one, after that 1,50,000, after that this is. Now the remaining total income is how much? 50,000, 25,000, 1 lakh, total 5 lakhs, remaining 5 lakhs, 0.06%. Return this particular amount. This is the answer.
So for that 10 lakhs, the tag,
The total 10 lakhs calculation is computed at this particular stage.
At this state only.
Okay, this
Yeah.
will be used for any amount of slab. Why? Because if these are in between this,
Sir, how do you write the next line? I am stuck in there only. Like if you write
It's-
it
it's-
in, you were using shift enter to go to the next line, right?
on escape
Escape B.
escape B.
Escape B.
B, yeah.
no. I want to say like
Like
this.
if you write, yeah. How
Yeah,
you
enter,
next
enter,
Enter.
enter.
But wait, what is happening with me?
So I have one question regarding this
Yeah.
income tax.
Yes.
So that income tax logic is already predefined in the library of this. We have
No,
to
no,
call
no, no.
that income
No,
tax
no.
function.
No. Income tax
Okay.
function, I designed it here. See this one.
Oh, yes,
Here I
yes.
defined.
Hmm.
Here I
Oh.
defined.
Hmm.
Okay, what I am
Got
saying,
it.
for example,
Yes.
print function is there.
Hmm.
Otherwise, for example, escape B. For
Hmm.
example, power function is there. Okay,
Hmm.
12, comma 2.
Hmm.
Okay, we are getting
144.
144. But
Yes.
internally how it will be written? Internally how it will be written? For example, def
Square.
square A comma B.
B.
Now you need to what you need to do? 12
Into 12. Power
12 into,
exponential.
for example, A exponential B.
B. Hmm.
I executed this thing. Now where function I am giving two inputs, 100 comma 10.
Got it. Hmm.
Okay, like
Yeah.
this
Hmm.
function is developed and it is included in the basic code of the Python. So that is the
Yes.
reason we are able to call it.
Okay, okay. So whatever function is not there, first we need to define that, and whenever we use that, we
Yes.
have to call that.
Yes.
Got it.
If that particular existing and built-in functions are not sufficient or not fulfilling our requirement,
Hmm.
we need to define our functions.
Mhm.
Is it clear for each and everyone?
Yes, sir. I too sent the tax thing in the group. So I don't know, it's something like that only. Not exactly like yours.
Total income. Your background is MBBS, Nirupa?
No, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. No,
And
except numerical numbers, I am not able to understand anything.
oh, really?
And T also, T and apply. And I don't know that is IRF or ELX.
అంటే చాలా చాలా థాట్ పెట్టి మధ్య మధ్యలో ఐఎమ్ చేంజింగ్ సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ అండ్ ఐ somehow sent it to you.
Okay. Anyway, I mean, so like, then definitely I'll feel like that my handwriting is good. Okay, see this one. So now each and everyone understood this thing, especially.
So ikkada in this scenario, what you're saying is it will go if it is only under 50,000, it will go into only one thing and it will
Yes.
return, it will come.
I mean, to say like, definitely tell me some income. Definitely it is in any one of these conditions or this particular condition. If it is not greater than 0, then definitely you will get an error. For example, just you see. Please provide the input for non-negative numbers.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
is it clear for
Yes.
each and everyone? Just understood the logic? I mean, it's like I'm not asking you to replicate this function. Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll tell one thing. This is you can try for an. Can you please tell me? I mean, it's like you need to give me information. Cents and the little amount will be there, right? Can you please tell me that one? How many cents is $1?
100 cents.
100 cents.
Okay, $1. And below cents, is there any
No.
below cents? There is no.
No, cent or penny is equal. Like
Okay,
1
okay.
cent
Tell
or
me, tell me.
1 penny.
What it is?
Cent is equal to penny. Like penny or
Penny. How?
cents are equal. 1 penny equal
Okay.
to 1
How?
cent.
1 second. 1 penny is equal to 1 cent. Cent. $1 is equal to 1 penny. And below, no, nothing.
No, nothing more than this are here.
Dime, quarters,
Nickel. Nickel is
What
there.
and
Nickel,
what is the meaning of nickel?
5 cents.
5 cents. And dime,
5 cents. In India also there is no
Yeah.
spelling is there.
No, no, NICKLE.
NICKLE. Okay.
Then 10 cents is dime.
10 cents. 10 cents is
Dime. DIME.
M-E.
M. Yes.
Okay.
Then quarter.
And
quarters, 4
it means
quarters,
25.
25 cents.
Yes. 25 cents.
Is it possible to transfer this much small amount?
Yes.
Quarter? How you'll call?
Quarter.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here these are the interesting ones. Okay. We'll do one thing. It should be less than 99. Less than 100 cents. It means less than or equal to 99 cents. 99 cents. Okay. If I given a specific amount, you need to tell me how you will give that coins. Got it? You got my question? For example, if I said like that 87, you need to give me a result as 87 means 3 quarters, 75, right? 75. After that, 0 deci, 0 dime, what I call
Dime.
dime, and 0 dime, and no, 0 quarter, 3 quarters, 0 dime,
1
and
dime,
You can get
one
one
dime.
dime.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
1 dime.
We can write
You
1 dime,
can
right?
right.
1 dime, 85, and 0 nickels and 2 cents, right?
Mhm.
To represent this particular number. Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Hmm. Now tell me how you will develop the logic. Is it clear for each and everyone or not? Okay. See this one. 5 minutes sufficient? Just take help from this previous knowledge and try to develop the logic for this. How we will do. For example, I given 98. How we will solve? 5 minutes. Try your Any improvement? Has any improvement in the logic?
Mm.
You're able to see?
Yes, sir.
It's simple.
Hmm.
The only thing is you need to think about the logic. Sound తక్కువ పెట్టు.
Good.
What I did it there? What is that operator?
Which operator, sir?
Double slash is there, right? What is this operator?
Floor division. No?
Floor division.
Yes, what it mean? It will extract the coefficient.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay.
That same simple logics I built it.
Hmm.
Just see that one. The most difficult thing is logic deduction. Writing code is not a big deal. If you derived the logic, that will solve the 90% of the problem.
Mm.
The hundreds of websites are there. Hundreds of people are there to write the code. If you guide them, what you want.
Hmm.
Okay, clear
Yeah.
or not?
Sir, can you explain this?
Okay, see. If I provided input in between these two,
Hmm.
greater than 0 and 99, it will enter into the loop. First, it will come to here. It will calculate Q. If it is greater than 25, then only you'll get a integer part of the result.
Hmm.
For example, see here, if 24 is there, 25, what is the result it will get? 0,
0. Yeah.
right? If it is a, for example, if it is 26,
Portion 1. Okay.
right? Now here see, $25. What is the result?
1.
1.
With 1/4 sufficient, right?
Mhm.
Right. Yes.
26,
1/4 is sufficient.
27, same,
1. Yeah.
Okay.
32,
Hmm.
36,
1.
36, 25, 35. Okay. 41.
1.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What did he say?
Non-negative numbers.
What's my limit? In between 0 to 99 only, right? Why? Because I have
Hmm.
all these coins.
Right.
Okay.
Sir, I have question.
Yes.
So how we write this syntax? Because
No,
how?
the syntax thing I'll tell. Leave about
Uh-huh.
that syntax. We didn't discuss those things.
Mm-hmm.
Why I'm introducing and why I'm asking you guys now.
Uh-huh.
I'm what I'm expecting. How you need to think logically to solve a problem.
Mm-hmm.
It may be data cleaning, or it may be identification of solution, or it may be a calculation, or it may be whatever it may be. How you need to think to develop a logic.
Okay.
That is the intention. These syntaxes will be static. You're able to learn all these syntaxes. It's not a big deal.
Okay. We have to.
The logic is very important.
And last line else raise value error. What is that?
We're raising an error.
Mm-hmm.
If if apart from all these successful conditions, why? Because see, if I provided 841,
Mm-hmm.
this is wrong value, right? If it is 841, you know,
Mm-hmm.
$8, $8, and the dollar representation is completely different, right? Once again,
Yes, sir.
maybe $1, $2, or $5, or something else.
Mm-hmm.
That's a different story. Here, my limit is I want to give the change in pennies and nickels and dime and quarters. Maximum allowed amount is 99.
0 to 99 cent.
Yes. Apart from that, if any value is given, it need to throw an error.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Now it's clear. Yeah.
So we have to use our logic and all.
Yes. Logic is the main important thing. Is it clear for each and everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll tell you. We'll do one more simple thing. Now, I'll ask one final thing. You know the divisibility and factors. Anyone remembered factors, multiples?
Hmm.
If I provided a number, dynamic number, okay, you need to write a program to find out how many numbers are perfectly divisible in the range. Divisible in the range from 1 to 20. You got it? For example, I'll tell you. Simply, I'll tell you now. I provided 10,000. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, from, okay, not 11 to 20. From up to 10,000, from 0, from 1 up to 10,000, some numbers are divisible by 11, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Perfectly divisible by. Some numbers are divisible by 12, right?
Well, yes.
Like that, 20. How many numbers?
Mhm.
For each and every divisibility factor contains how many numbers? And store those numbers in specific lists. Got it?
Can you explain once again, sir?
We're taking up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and so on, 10,000. Okay, is it clear up to now? Now, what you need to identify 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, why this many? These are
So
not.
you wrote till 20.
Only
Yes.
20 you said.
Okay.
He's getting-
Stop. Okay. No, I went once back to my school, so that is the reason I'm writing 20. Okay. So 11. For example, what are the numbers? Different numbers divisible by 10,000. How you will identify?
So
For
we have to find out factors.
range, not factors exactly. 10,000
You can
is
check. Okay.
I divisible by I divisible by
Module. Okay.
11 double equal to 0,
0.
0.
then print
That
I.
number. Yeah.
These are the numbers which are divisible by
11.
Okay.
okay, these are the numbers which are divisible by 11 in
Mm.
okay.
10,000.
Remember one thing at here. One condition is there you need to remember. For example, if you count these numbers in 11, you need to exclude all these numbers. Once again, if these numbers don't appear in the next, if that will happen, now what you will get? You will get more than 10,000 numbers you will get. You got my point? For
Yeah.
example, for the numbers which are divisible by 11 are stored in this list.
Mm.
Okay, stored in this list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you can consider. Once again, if you are storing this numbers which are divisible by 12, you know what you need to do? You can capture all these numbers, maybe 1, comma, 3, comma, 6, comma, 8, comma, 9, comma, like that. This will be there, right? Maybe a number which is divisible by 11 also divisible by 12 in some cases.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
And
Mm.
after that, you know, you want to okay, I don't want to make complex. I want to identify like this. This is the 11th. This is the 12th. And what is the count of it? It means count means how you will identify with help of length function, right?
Yeah. Mm.
I want those. What is the length of 11? What is the length of 12? What is the length of up to 20?
But so how can we save these numbers in an array? Like we have to.
Okay. You don't know the append function?
Oh, okay. Okay.
What you will do with the append function without using in the logics? You'll keep it in your pocket. You need to use it the concepts. Append, what you will do with append? The length function, creation of the list, all the concepts you need to use.
Mm.
Most difficult problems are solved with simple logics. Simple problems only, you know, we don't have any solutions for that. Is it clear? Here also I am asking only the logic.
Mm.
Why? Because here you need to check with 10 numbers at here. How we will go and how we will check, how we will store. That is the process what I am expecting. Okay. For list each and everyone are clear, right? How to access elements in the list, all those things.
Sir, we didn't do list.
We didn't do anything related to list.
Mhm.
I didn't explain to you how the list will be looking like.
We stopped with the immutability.
Indexing concept we discussed.
Indexing we discussed.
Yeah, we
We
did.
didn't discuss the
Yeah, we
list
did with
arrays and
that assignment thing,
from the byte.
this assignment.
Yeah, from
No,
the.
no, no. Okay, byte is leave that one. We'll
No,
discuss
no,
it.
before that immutability you explained, that's where
Okay.
we stopped.
Okay. This is the list.
Mm.
You will create list with help of square brackets. Okay, then we need to discuss these things. Along with this, once we'll go through, once we'll discuss list, we'll create some functions. We'll do some programs, and then we'll move to the next concept. Okay, approximately I have a 50 to 60 programs. I have. Okay, each and every day, how many programs we'll divide? 5 programs.
Hmm.
Yeah.
What, sir?
5 programs assessment is sufficient for you, or you want 10, Nirupa?
Sir, 3 are enough, I guess, sir. 3 or 5 are guess. Enough, I guess.
Okay, then we'll fix for at least a 5. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow is what we are going to discuss.
Yes.
Loops and list triple set dictionary data types combination, conditional statements and complicated data types. These are not the basic data types. These are the data types which are developed in Python language to support and to improve the performance of the Python. Okay.
Sir, you gave assessment, assignment now?
No. I'm saying from tomorrow onwards. Once we started loops and list combination, then you will get an assessment. Why? Because whatever the thing you want to write, whatever the thing you want to do, definitely conditional statements and list and set and tuple and dictionaries are important.
Okay,
This combinedly we're going to work it out.
okay.
Okay. For
Okay.
now, try to find some programs and try to understand the logics.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever it may be, you can create whatever may be. For example, I'll give you just think about these things. Um, calculate lucky number. You know how to calculate the lucky number?
What is lucky number?
We know
Or your
just that
mobile number.
lucky number.
For example, mobile number.
Hmm.
You taken your mobile number 98765432110. To calculate these numbers, you need to sum. After that, for example, this is the sum. After that, 5 plus 6. After that, 11. It means 1 plus 1.
Two.
And after that, 2. This is the method. Okay, by taking your phone number and try to find out the single number. And next thing is try to write your full name and find your lucky number. I given this name. Okay, don't consider this as your lucky number. Based on, for example, A, B, C is your name. You need to allocate for A 1, plus B 2 plus C 3.
Three.
And you need to sum up to single digit.
Hmm.
Okay, clear? Try to develop these logics and try to think how you're going to solve these things. From tomorrow onwards, you will get 5 programs each and every day as an assessment.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yep.
1 second. I'll share this file with you. GK5. I shared the file. Okay. Once, can you please check you got the file or not?
I got it.
Got it.
Hmm.
By end of the tomorrow's class, you will get one understanding on the Python. Tomorrow we'll cover operators, comparison operators, and conditional statements, and less loops and conditional statements usage and operators usage in this combination. Anyone have any doubts? Hello?
No, sir. You're good.
Yeah,
Oh,
Hey,
yeah,
you
good.
guys don't disappoint. Why? Because by seeing all those programs and all those things, you are able to write it. You are able to write more fancy programs than that.
Mhm.
The thing why I introduced this, once again, if I am started, this is if loop, start with this is indentation, this is, then immediate question what it is, where we'll use this loops at? That is the question I'll get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where we'll use this condition? If I show to you, you'll have some imagination, right? That problem will remind it in your brain. If this is suitable for that particular problem, you are able to easily interrelate.
Hmm.
Because
Mhm.
that is the reason I introduced these things today. Okay, guys. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a good night.
bye,
Have
sir.
a, okay. Bye bye.